Hello, I'm Julian Holland, author of many best-selling railway books. My latest book is a new edition of Lost Railway Walks, published by Collins, that features over 100 lost railways that can be walked or cycled across the length and breadth of Britain. One of my favourite lost railway walks is along the Glastonbury to Shapwick stretch of the old Somerset Central Railway, a distance of nearly 5 miles. Opened in 1854, the railway closed in 1966 as a result of Dr. Beating's cuts. And today I'm starting my journey on the old lattice-work railway bridge over the River Brue, about 1 mile west of Glastonbury. This lost railway walk across the Somerset levels follows the moribund Glastonbury Canal, past flooded peat workings on now nature reserves, where otters and rare birds, such as the bittern, great crested grebe and goldcrest, attract wildlife enthusiasts in their droves. Close to the site of Ashcott Station is the aptly named Railway Inn, an unspoilt Somerset pub that features photographs of the old railway when it was open. Beyond the site of Ashcott Station, the level railway path continues for 2 miles alongside the old canal through the Shapwick Heath National Nature Reserve, where there are many bird hides and meandering side paths exploring the hidden secrets of the Somerset levels. A delightful walk or cycle ride at any time of the year, and with the added bonus of refreshments at the Railway Inn. My new edition of Lost Railway Walks is a wonderful introduction to these hidden gems where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life.